Hello everyone, my name is Juliano. I'm going to present about Best Buy and our topic is going to be managing changes. Best Buy is an American multinational company specialized in selling electronics that operates in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. It positions itself as experts in electronics and technology. It's not about only selling products, it's about teaching how to use them, how it can improve your life, how it benefits you, and customers can go there and ask about the products that they're interested in for the salespeople. And normally the salespeople are really trained about their product they're selling. Best Buy retains a portfolio of 5 private labels brands called Dynex, Geek Squad, Insignia, and Rocketfish. Now I'm talking about the history of Best Buy. Best Buy was founded in 1966 by Richard M. Hughes and James Wheeler as an audio store called Sound of Music. In 1981, the biggest store in Minnesota was hit by a tornado, and the store roof was destroyed, but the storeroom was left intact. So the founder decided to have a tornado sale that he advertised, promising the best buys on everything. So as a result, the store made more money during the 4-day sale than it did in a typical month. In 1983, the name Sound of Music was changed by Best Buy Company. In 1987, the company was listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So nowadays, Best Buy has nearly 125,000 employees in North America and generates approximately roughly 42 billion American dollars in revenue, with the profit of 1.4 billion dollars per year, as per last year actually. It has 1,167 Best Buy stores, most of them in United States, 1,008 stores there, 134 in Canada, and 25 in Mexico. Best Buy Mobiles has 308 stores, 257 in the United States and 51 in Canada. Hope you enjoy it, and now you can have Fabiano to explain the theory about managing changes. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm here to present you the part B of our job. In part B, we talk about the OB theory chosen by our group, managing change. We know that the world have been changing a lot, and all of these changes impact not only our lives, but also the company's strategies. And when we talk about the workplace, we can identify some forces of change which impact on the environment. Those forces can be external and internal. As external forces, we have demographic characteristics, technological advancement, customers and market change, social and political pressures. And as internal forces, we have human resource problems, managerial behavior and decisions, and organizational process, systems and culture. And to manage this change, we talk about the 3-stage mode of plan change that explain how to initiate, manage, and stabilize the change process. Lewis change model. The first step on freezing. Focusing create motivation to change. Here, managers disconfirm usefulness behaviors, past or current. The second step, changing. Focusing help and support employees, providing new information and behavioral models, mentors, expert and training programs, and communicate the change target results. And third step, refreezing, focusing, integrate the changed behavior or attitude into the normal way of doing things. Here, we stabilize the change. use positive reinforcement, coaching, modeling, and external rewards. And you know that all these processes are surrounded for some emotional and behavioral resistance to change. Things like fear of failure, past success, climate of mistrust that can impact this change. Thank you for staying with us. Appreciate it, guys. Hope you like, and stay with us for part C and D. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Gabo and I'm going to talk about factors that affect the operation of Best Buy. About external factor, it includes economic, social culture, technology advancement, and legal. As Best Buy has located in many regions and countries that the employees come from different culture, religions, ages, and gender, so a management structure which harmonizes the benefits of staff from different culture is a must. Discrimination would not only cause lawsuits and loss, but also damage the company's reputation. Best Buy has also gained advantages by applying new technology so they can use to broaden their business to other countries, lessening the operating costs and cutting rental fee. The only internal factor that we want to talk about is human resources. A low absenteeism and turnover level not only reduce the cost of training and rerouting, but also create a comfortable working environment in which employees can balance their lives and jobs, having a positive attitude towards their work. In second part, we are going to talk about language change model applying in managing change of Best Buy regarding to an article posted on Training Mag in March and April 2019 of training program at Best Buy. In the first stage unfreezing, Best Buy realized that customer service does not meet the requirement of retail sector anymore, so they need to train the sales team to achieve the new level of expertise that customers expect. In second stage called change, sales staff offer a 4-day training class that could bring enjoyable experience to customer. A training program called In-Home Advisor provides a 5-week learning plan with material for retail associates for its future leaders and e-learning for some training courses such as Code of Business Ethics. In the final stage, revisings. Since the launch of new training programs, Best Buy's company-wide customer satisfaction scores increased, so employees receive higher wages and sales commissions. The selling teams are also motivated as the program focuses on leadership foundation, so they expect that they will be promoted in future with a clearly defined career ladder.
So in conclusion, changing in terms of employees, strategies, marketplace, and organizations are inevitable in any business corporation, and Best Buy is not exception. Changing is not always benefit the organization because it sometimes decreases the revenues of company or even makes it bankrupt, because changing is not only affecting company strategies but also the consumer behaviors. However, Best Buy has become more and more prestigious thanks to an effective managing change. Applying all these theories is an efficient way for Best Buy to overcome all difficulties during the change process. Best Buy is simply following 3 stages of leveling change model: unfreezing, which create motivation to change; changing, which provide and support employees with a lot of trainings; and refreezing, which keep the new attitudes and behaviors in the whole corporations. That's why we must say that OB theories plays an important role which contributes to organizational success. Regarding research, our team has some recommendations for Best Buy to saving their long-term outlook. First of all, Best Buy should use a turnover and expand control mindset. Best Buy has higher occupancy costs than most of its competitors because of its big box stores. When competing with internet retailers such as Amazon, who has massive cost structural advantages, Best Buy cannot afford to leave its structure as is now. Secondly, store closures are necessary. Right now, Best Buy might actually lose profits from its more recent store closure because the company is profitable. However, in long term, the move appears necessary because the consumer electronics market will likely to continue to shift online. Finally, Best Buy should put all staff together and keep only those with a deep passion for technology. It would be better to have fewer sales staff per location and have those who are knowledgeable regarding technology than have a larger staff of disaffected talent, which is Best Buy in current situation. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you so much for your listening.